started in a small way in 2005, but it's done quite well. A lot of IIT Bombay ideas, for example, I can mention 4 of them, have matured through the institute, gone, faced the market, commercialized, become successful, and I've come back to collaborate with IIT Bombay in the research part.
The plan is to make everything bigger, and IIT Bombay has the perfect ecosystem.
So the idea is to be catalyst funder in this way, bring different sectors together, promote translational research such that we can build healthcare products that will be better for India tomorrow.
The output is not dependent on the input, in a sense that you can be absolutely, infinite scale. And hopefully through this platform that we are thinking, something gets started.
With your network and with what IIT Bombay offers, the effect has to be 10x, and this is what I keep telling everybody. If we do it the right way, then India will not have to import medical devices.
We also understand that Indian ecosystem is capable of actually developing processes, products that can prevent such future disasters. And so now then we are dedicated towards biomedical research now, and in that initiative we have launched this VFI Biome program. And it's a matter of great pride and honor that the first IIT that we are working with is IIT Bombay.
When we started at IIT Bombay, the transformation has been phenomenal. In many ways, especially in the last 10 years also, the gradient is actually, the slope has really changed.
Time, especially with the deep tech ideas, we have established a translational research center. So this basically picks up ideas emerging out of our MTech and PhD thesis and boosts their TRL levels to higher. So we provide an ambience for them. We retain the student on attractive salaries and provide the necessary infrastructure for him or her to basically mature that research. So the pipeline to sign then therefore gets enriched because these are fairly mature ideas.
And it was absolute privilege to visit your lab and see all the wonderful products in line with what you're thinking, right? So affordability, as Satya and Dr. Gaurav mentioned, affordable products, indigenous products that can reach to people in India at point of care.
That tomorrow becomes global. And when it is global, it is national, obviously.
Every talk that I give, I first talk about the ecosystem, then I go into what products that ecosystem has led for our lab, to be able to make.
It's amazing that we have half of our faculty into an entrepreneurship. And biology, it's something that I would never have imagined.
BFI team is interested to see because they have a network of doctors which we don't have. If we can actually bring a team from their side, to look at a proposal from IIT Bombay, they would be interested in it. And there are many such initiatives that IIT Bombay is involved in, as you mentioned.
This organization invested or contributed $77 million in the COVID time, where people come back to the nation as a whole. And we represent close to 20% of humanity. So if you solve the problem of India, you will solve the problem of humanity. Given the constraints of funding that we have, given the kind of challenges as a growing nation we have, this amazing leadership in our institution like others, like Rohit and others. And I think this is what we want to support.
We are going to launch this BFI program. Also, we just visited Sir's lab. And the translational research that we saw, we think that we are in right hands and this program will actually be very wonderful for the people of India in future also.
We wish to be a different funding agency where it is a dialogue between the funding agency and the institution. This is not a typical funding agency that we want. Empathy based and compassionate based.
Kind of partnerships that we can have to sort of make interdisciplinary, not only product development that definitely is useful, but we also have to sort of generate human resources who can actually understand and be comfortable with multiple languages.
Now this company put out the first product in the market 2 years later through his MTech project. So this is the MTech project of IIT Bombay, the first example of a mobile phone being used for diagnostics in this country in 2012. We got a project from the government of India saying that, and this came from the ministry saying that they wanted strips priced at 2 rupees in the Indian market. Now we took up the challenge, 2 rupees, when the prices of strips were 18 to 30 rupees in the Indian market in those times, and this was 2011. We took up the challenge. 2013 we released this product in the Indian market. Again, this is an approved product. So this is using a mobile phone and using the conjunctiva of the eye, they can tell you your hemoglobin levels. Plus minus 0.5 gram per deciliter. So this is 3 products made our name. Every award that you see in this room came because of these. You can start off with a very small product, But if you can create value for this country, then you will get everything that the country can offer.
So thank you very much, your entire team, Satya, for bringing this opportunity to us.